good afternoon. We are from Group 3 and we're going to give you an update about our analysis for the Surya Group holding company. Next, please. And before we start the presentation, here's our learning plan schedule that will guide us and keep track of the group project. So the last 2 sessions were about choosing a company and identifying the urgency, and also to contact the contact person. And now we're going to give you a report about the interview that we conducted and also plan the grant design.
Okay, on Wednesday, 28 August 2024, we've conducted an interview with Mr. Lutfan, who is the manager of HR in Surya Group. This interview was conducted in Surya Group building in Palagan, and it lasted for around 45 minutes. Here are some of the documentations on our interview process, as you can see. Next slide, please. Okay, from the interview and our discussion with Mr. Lutfan, we have identified some of the few core problems in Surya Group, and he also mentioned the reasoning behind such problems. The first one is the lack of KPI and balance scorecard, and Mr. Lutfan mentioned that this is because the task in Surya Group is not monotonous and it is project-based, so it will be difficult to make standardization for the operational process. So therefore, making it difficult to create a KPI and balance scorecard. And the second one is the lack of company branding. And he mentioned that this is because there are too many branches in Surya Group, including construction, secrets, and etc. And it would need a significant effort for Surya Group to actually show to the public about what all the company is about, because there are just too many branches of the operation. And the third one is the suboptimal social media, and is also related to the company branding. So up until now, the company has only posted project-based posting, and now it currently only has minimum engagement with the public. The fourth one is the lack of website and LinkedIn profile. So actually, up until now, there have been a few branch of the company that has a LinkedIn profile, but up until now, there is no website for the company. And the last one is the suboptimal recruitment process, and this actually needs further confirmation with the HR and also the Surya Group division, and we will update it later on our next report. Next slide, please.
Okay, for the next one, based on the interview, we can decide it on the multiple option of the project destination that we can tackle. Meaning, due to the limitation that exists, we only can choose one. So here are the option for project goal option. So as you can see here, there are 4 options. The first one, if we want to tackle branding, this external-based approach will tackle the suboptimal performance of social media due to lack of company branding that represents all branches, like Nuno said. And the final result will be a branding guideline that will be implemented in all social media and website. And the second one is the KPI and balance scorecard, where this is need a revolution. Because to achieve this goal, due to the fixed mindset and the perspective of the ineffectiveness of KPI and BSC among the employees and manager at Surya Group, the final result will be a KPI and BSC for all the project that Surya Group execute. So again, because Nuno said that it is a monotonous job, not a monotonous job and a dynamic job, KPI and BSC cannot be really implemented. That is the opinion of the manager at the Surya Group. And the third one is the HR talent. But this option needed more data to go to execute, because there is lack of evidence that the talent pool is on suboptimal conditions. And the final result of this can be a job posting that is better than the current one. And we also can create program that allow undergraduate students to the company and to scout potential employees in the future. And the last one is on operation. During the interview, Mr. Lutfan actually bring up that if our group really want to start from scratch and explore more of the possibility of change in Surya Group, then we can try to solve the new operational flow of cigarette production that is recently open. So they are actually opening up a new branch of cigarette production, in which there are many room for improvement, as Mr. Lutfan said. And if we want to explore it, he said that this is the best option for us. Okay, next slide.
Okay, so for the project, we have created a good to-do list that we need to do before continuing the implementation of the project plan. We have discussed, as Nuno said, that we have discussed with the HR in the Surya Group. So he actually wanted us to create a planning that is clear, create a time availability, and also give us a to-do list for them to know what our needs is for this assignment. So we have created a to-do list ranging from time availability to the alignment meeting group for today. However, for today and for this past week, we have done the time availability. And for the next project, we'll be creating the proposal that will be given to the Surya Group itself. Next.
Okay. Lastly, to close this report, our group will end it by Q&A session. And because this is recording Zoom, you may comment it, and hopefully we could, as soon as possible, create the scheduling and syllabus for our report for the Surya Group. And questions and feedback are very welcome to our uncertain goal at this stage. Thank you.